Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY, my name's Ben. In this video we're unboxing and trying out the new Mop Pro. Okay, so as I said, this is the Mop Pro. So we've got the multifunctional wash and dry mop and bucket set. One we went for was the one that comes with the 5 mop heads. So the mop heads are machine washable. So what we're going to do is unbox this, see what we get inside, head inside, and also we'll give it a go. So this is ideal for kind of hard floor surfaces, so laminate, wood floors, tiles, things like that, but can be used to dust walls, windows, and other hard surfaces. Obviously, with it being a soft mop head, things like carpet is no good for. So yeah, so we'll open the box, see what we get inside, and then we'll go give it a go. Okay, so see what we got. Okay, so the bucket itself, you've got these mop heads. So I got the one with the 5, and it came with 2 extra ones as part of the current deal. So I've got the 5 there and 2, so 7 in total. These are machine washable, so obviously tons of use there, and if you've not got one washed, there's plenty to use there. They are really thin, straight away I can feel they're really thin, so we'll see what the quality is like. But inside here we've got the instruction book. Thank you for buying it. Instruction book, how to build it, how to use, and how to rinse in the bucket here. So you can hopefully see on there, we've got the dry and wash areas. So the plastic mop head there. Okay, so we've got all the different parts here. We've got the mop handle that you've got to build and slide together. The mop head, which the attachments go onto. And then the actual cloths themselves. As I say, we've got 7 with ours. And then the instructions advise how to do it. So in terms of applying the mop head, or the cloths to the mop head, how to use it on the instructions, and how to put the poles together. So simple enough. So what we'll do, we'll build it now, and then we'll head inside and give it a go. Okay, so yeah, with Mop Pro in the kitchen, we're going to fill it up with some water and some cleaning fluid. I'll show you the area we'll do, so I'll do a little rotation here just to show you where the flooring goes. Tons of flooring, so we'll see how much we can do with one bucket. So yeah, first of all, we'll get it filled up and get some cleaning fluid in here. Okay, so hopefully you can see here you've got the dry part and the wash part. So the wash part is where you put your water into this bucket, and the dry part is where you put your mop into to wring out the mop itself. So you can see that there's some little attachment in here, and then this one here has got some like teeth in on the edge of the bucket to obviously drag the water out. So first things first, we'll take this lid off, and then we'll fill this side with water. And we'll give it a go. You can see as well around me, I've got the 2 drain points at the bottom there. So once you're done, you obviously drain out both sides to let the clean and dirty water out. Okay, all done there with this video now on the Mop Pro. So really easy product, really good value for money. Currently on the website with the link below, it's $23.99, so I'll put a link in the description where you can jump over and get it. The $23.99 gets you the mop bucket, the 5 cloths plus the 2 extras, so you're getting 7 cloths there. The cloths are machine washable, so with 7 you've got plenty. I think value for money wise, that one probably stands out from the rest. So yeah, hit the link, jump over to the website and you can get one for yourself there. So immediately some of the benefits, the bucket itself really compact, really small. You can also store the mop inside the bucket as well, and then you can detach the handle of the mop and keep one half in one half and the other half of the mop in the other, if that makes sense. So yeah, really easy to store, really easy to use. It's really lightweight, and the bucket itself can be stored really easily. It takes up hardly any space. Just to confirm on the floor types, just looking at the website, it does confirm it's suitable for floors, with regard to floors of wood, laminate, ceramic or tiled, and lightly textured floors. As you saw in ours, it's just a wooden laminate that we've got in there throughout, so it's just a standard wood laminate and it worked absolutely fine on there. Like with most products, obviously time will tell, so the mop cloths, how long they'll last, I'm not so sure, especially if you've washed them a few times. They are just microfiber, and they are, because of the design of it, it is really thin, which is good because it's lightweight and it's really easy to use, really good to get in tight spaces. But from a longevity perspective and how long they'll last and how long they might take to wear away, I'm not sure. But with the 7 in the pack for the $23.99, you should get obviously quite a long time out of there, and you can buy the mop heads separately as well. Oh, sorry, the cloths for the mop heads separately. Okay, we're all done now. This video for the Mop Pro. The one that we've got, as I said, was the Mop Pro with the bucket and the 7 in total cloth heads, or the cloths for the mop head. So hopefully this video has been useful, informative if you're looking at this mop or an alternative mop. If it is, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let us know in the comment section why you didn't like the video. Any questions about the product, about our setup, anything at all, drop that in the comment section. We'll reply to all comments. If you want to, as I say, jump over to the Mop Pro website, there is a link below in the description, and that will show you the latest prices on the products on the website. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.